How to return an item on Argos. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways to return an item to Argos. So if you've ordered a product and you wish to return it, then you have to go ahead and open up or log in into your account first of all. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, and here you could go ahead and press the accounts button from the top right hand side corner. When you are on this page, you should be able to see all of these information. So over here you could go ahead and press on return and refund, scroll down a bit and you can find the link. When you press on the following option, it's going to take you to the page where you can go ahead and read all of these information. So here you have this page as what you should be doing in order to return the product. You could go through it and you can accordingly perform the actions and then follow the instructions, and you should be able to return the items on Argos. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.